Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on color ID. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you come here to use full screen for post call. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's one that's mean use full screen for post call disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.